So this year I'm starting a new position at my school where I'm going to be the instructional technology support teacher. Now, I was really trying to lay down how I wanted to roll out some of the curriculum, some of the different goals that I had for the teachers. And something I came up with was really trying to model our new personal learning that we are implementing in Fulton County this year. And one of the ways that I thought that it would be best to start would be to share a Google form with the teachers, where I wanted to take a different approach. Instead of saying, well, I'm going to teach everybody, explain everything, or I'm going to teach all of the teachers how to use Google Classrooms, I thought that something that would work a little bit better would be, well, what are their needs? What do they want? So here's an example of the form that I put together. Now, you'll see that this form, when I built it, I used something that I had learned from Alice Keeler, where when we went to add item, I was adding page breaks. And the reason why is because for this question here, every time you answer a certain way, as you can see, it'll take you to a different page for follow-up questions. That's something new that I had an opportunity to try out this time. So let's go back and look at the way that it's laid out. So of course, you would have Smith John. As you can see, I've done this before. And let's say that Mr. Smith isn't a classroom teacher. Let's make him, I don't know, how about an art teacher? So he's a special areas teacher. Now, Mr. Smith is going to want to choose from this pull-down list, not of tools that he wants to learn, but of actual actions that he wants his students to do better. Maybe he wants them to teach others new information, craft and share their thinking with others, collaborate with others on projects, organize their work more efficiently online, document their learning, self-direct their own research, or infuse some more creativity into their work. So for an art teacher, let's say they want to have their students, I don't know, teach others some new information. So when he clicks on this, this now takes him to the page for teaching others new information. And the thing that I like about this page is, here are my follow-up questions. Have you used any apps or online tools to help your students do this before? Let's say that Mr. Smith a long time ago was using a Web 2.0 tool like VoiceThread to help his students do this. Now, the thing that's beneficial about this is now I'm not going to maybe teach him VoiceThread again. This gives me the opportunity to really look at this data ahead of time and to really structure the way I'm going to do and roll out the professional development. And taking it one step further, what is the most effective way for you to learn a new skill or concept? Maybe you want to watch a video and follow some online instructions. Maybe he would feel more comfortable working with a small group on projects and planning, or one-on-one individualized tutoring. This works really well for your students that just don't, or I'm sorry, teachers that just don't feel very comfortable with learning these things in large groups because they don't want other people to see that they're insecure about it. Or maybe they just like a large lecture with some breakout sessions for more specific instruction. I'm going to go ahead and say that if he's using VoiceThread, then he probably feels pretty comfortable with it. So maybe he wants to just watch a video, follow some online instructions. So he'll submit this information. And then the thing that's so great about it is in my viewed responses, now, when all of the teachers in my class have done this, I have the opportunity to really go in and customize the instruction that I'm going to roll out. So maybe if John Smith and a couple other people said that they want their students to teach others new information and they all would like to watch a video and follow online instructions, then that's something I could do with my time, is put together a video of the different resources and some step-by-step instructions for them to use, and then go in and follow up with them afterwards. This really helps personalize this and make it more available to the teachers and something that they might be more responsive to learning new information.